Hello everyone. So I decided to come up with this template for easy computing of your factor analysis. So here I'm going to be sending this template to the platform so that you just easily input all of your data. So I already have all of the variables defined here. I already have your variables defined. I'll just show you just 2-3 steps that you engage on your SPSS and you have your output. So that's what this tutorial is all about. So you already have all of the 44 items and your ID. The values are already inputted, so you won't have to input them afresh. So all you just need to do is come to your Excel. On your Excel, so I already have this sample data. Is about 20. So all you just need to do is copy all of these items from your Excel. All you just need to do is copy all of the 44 items down to for all the 20 respondents and just copy. So once you copy this, come to your SPSS. So you come to your SPSS from this point 1 and you paste Ctrl V and you automatically have all of your data. You can always switch to just to see your numbers. So once you just input it here, you just have everything already structured. So you also want to check if there are no missing data. If there are no missing data, I believe for this everything is all right. So that's like step 1. Just copy. So you have all of your variables already defined. So the next thing you want to do is your negative scoring, your backward, your reverse scoring. So for your reverse scoring, I already labeled this for the reverse. So you have 2, you have 6 reverse. So you just come to transform. I'll just follow this step. Recode into the same. In fact, all of my reversed are already here. So I believe you should also find them here already. Here we have, so here 1 is now 5, 2 is 4. Everything is already there. Everything is already in this. So all you just need to do is look this through and say okay and then continue. If you check, it will automatically change this because they need it. So once this is effected and you come here, this was 2 before, it has been changed to 4. So you automatically affect all of these variables, all of the reverse. So once your reverse scoring is done, now you can continue with your factor analysis. Analyze dimension, reduction, factor. You already have all of your variables here too. If they are not there, just highlight and move them here. So all of your descriptive and everything also have been inserted. So what you just need to do, the only thing you need to do is come check your extraction. So we are doing this and this. So those are the 2 things you need on your output. So you're having this the region value greater than 1. That's the first thing you're conducting. So for the rotation, everything has been selected. Scores, we don't need anything here. And then also if you want to uncheck this, I already set this as 0.35. So any value lower than 0.35 will not be visible. I mean, it's not relevant for this study. So all you just need to do is the extraction. You want to work with region value first and you okay. So it automatically generates all the tables. So this is showing 17, meaning that there are some missing data. 3 respondents, they don't have complete. So that's why we have this. So you may want to check back. So there are 3 items, there are 3 respondents, there are 3 missing values. So here, because I don't know what response, I'm going to be putting 3, neither agree nor disagree. It's another one, 3, and let's find the third one. Yeah, there's another one, 3. So I guess that's all. So because of that, I'm going to be analyzing that again. So let me just delete this one and do it again. So whether on this interface or that interface, they work together. So you just come back to, so you already have this extraction. We are doing this again, and you say okay. So now we have 20. So here you have descriptive statistics. So all the 20 respondents are complete now. So here we have the correlation matrix. So I believe we need to copy out the correlation matrix. It's just I believe it's part of what the lecturer wants to see for all of the 44 items. And then the determinant, it's 0. This is 0 because 20 respondents is too small for this particular analysis. Usually analysis like this should be with nothing less than 200 samples, 200 respondents. So this is considered too small. That's why the Bartlett and KMO values are not being displayed. So here we have the communalities. Copy out the communalities, and then for this particular here we have 90% cumulative with on 11 factors, and we don't need this. Then you may need to, I'm not sure we need this for the UGM value. So the other side of the story, yes, we'll be working with this. We're not using this, we're using rotated component matrix. So the other thing to do, we don't need these two. Then you analyze again, dimensional reduction, and this time you're going for this value. So this is just the second thing you do, and you continue and okay. So it generates the same thing, and this time we are forcing it. Oh, I think I made a mistake. I'm supposed to force it to 5. Oh yes, it's on 5. Okay, so force to 5, and then you have 67%. So these are the relevant figures in your report. 67 on 5 factors. So and so BFI1 item 1 falls on component 2, items 2 on 5th component, and all of that. So you just interpret and report what you have from here. So this is just to save all of the whole processes around. You can copy these, put them on Excel, and write them out. So item 44, component 1, and all of that. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you. You're welcome to my TED Talk.